Hi guys, this is Gracie and from Strong Queen Agency. For today's video, let's talk about how to withdraw in Nikki. First step is click the exchange, and then next is click the my income, and then next is click the withdraw, and then here we go. Just put the amount of withdrawal bins, and then click the withdraw. So here we go, it's already checked. Guys, don't forget to bind your GCash account first before you withdraw. It's already in progress. If you don't know how to bind your GCash, just watch my last video. I already posted. So here we go, guys. And I already received the money. That's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.